Here we have a 20 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the M Sport Plus package. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills and front splitter. We also have the mineral grey metallic paintwork. We have the M Performance Kit, so if we make our way around to the driver's side, you find the side skirts along the bottom. We do also have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked. The blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top and also the rear spoiler lip as well. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and also a reversing camera. And round to the rear you find the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser. Now if we take a look inside of the boot, so if just press this button here on the remote and it will pop open like so. Inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space, goes quite far back. Storage net on the left hand side, we also have the charging cable as well just there. If you just close the boot back up then and we'll walk back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find the full leather interior, foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We have the M Sport style seat belts, climate control in the centre for the rear passengers. We've got the premium Harman Kardon sound system and also the electric windows on the doors. Same full leather interior at the front, both the front seats are heated. There's a quick look at them. Again, we've got the same electric windows on the doors, tri-lock for the rear, electric mirrors, premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the ambient lighting as well in this vehicle. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. If you just take a seat inside, then you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put our foot on the brake, press your start button and the vehicle will start up. We do have the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel, got the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side, and we're also free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard, other than letting us know about the low fuel range. So we do have the main screen as well in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. Now if any of the lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. This is touch screen, but we do also have the shortcuts down here, so press onto the media, then the radio stations will appear just here. We also have the music collection and the Bluetooth audio. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have these apps that are currently installed, and we also have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Go into the main menu, then go onto car. If we go onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here. Plenty of colours which you can choose from. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Moving further down, you find the climate control. We have the heated seats either side and also the ice cold air conditioning, all working as they should do, as you can see. We have the cup holders inside of there, some storage space, USB ports and also a 12-volt connectivity. Got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So as you can see, we do have the adaptive drive mode. We have electric, hybrid and also the sport drive mode just there. Put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Let's put it back into park low. Got the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. And as you can see, I'm now able to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. So if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We've got the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side. We also have the digital dashboard as well in front of us, which can show at different displays that you would have seen on the photos and also on the walk around video. Now if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. That little ding was just letting us know about the low fuel range, so nothing to worry about. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle. Really does sound incredible. We've got the full leather interior, very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, perfect for these cold winter mornings. We've got the main infotainment screen in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also full of features on there that you've seen again on the photos. We do also have the ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. Looks really nice, especially at night time. We've got the climate control with the as-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now about to take a right-hand turn, so put our right indicator on, start to slow down, and then wait for the traffic to pass. So wait for these cars to go past and then we make the right-hand turn. Take the right-hand turn now onto the industrial park and then make an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. You'll find we have the reversing camera appear on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where we can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.